What is up boys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Anirudh and this is Chetan.
Hey boys, what's up?
So today we are going for something very special which I never even thought I'll be buying anytime soon, but here we are. Tire shine VRS पे लगाने because we are going VRS में to collect something again which I never thought I'll be buying anytime soon. I had promised myself by the end of 23 I'll be buying this brand. I knew somehow I wanted to own this brand since a very long time and every fanboy wants to, but I never thought I'll be buying this brand in this segment. There's a car all clean, tires are all clean, just I'll apply tire shine because even the tire should look nice. Chezel,
Your buddy let me
आने की मेरे
sniff.
पास. Hi. We are at BMW and it's time we unveil the bike.
What did he say?
Bike.
Oh my God!
So they said BMW is dog friendly, so we are getting her inside in just a minute.
That smells expensive.
So let's go under.
Can't come to the trap, you making it hot. Work with the work and it's fresh out the pot. I've been having nightmares, I sleep with a chop. I get off the work and I don't need a clock. I don't need the rib, you know it's in stock. She get on my nerves, I put her on block. If he chooses size, then he turn to an op. The trap said he jumping, we making it hot. I gotta go, you moving slow. Run down on niggas, did that for my bro. Not fucking with niggas that's cracking the code. I'm still in the field, you know I'm a pro. Am I gonna blow? Then I get low. Back to the trap while I smoke out the O. I'm writing poetry, murder she wrote. No, I'm a hunter, I'm killing the ghost.
हमने बाइक होगी है पिकअप कर ली है. We'll have to drive back. तो गाड़ी आ जाएगा राइडर लेके. So we'll meet with the bike here.
No, I'm a glow, keeping that shit on the low, and never telling what you know. Look, never putting money over my bro, never putting nothing over my family. Niggas really out here switching and cocaine go, cause this shit is cold. Even if I ain't got it on me, I still won't fold. Can't come to the trap, you making it hot. Bro, for the work and it's fresh out the pot. I've been having nightmares, I sleep with a chop. I get off the work and I don't need a clock. I don't need the rib, you know it's in stock. She get on my nerves, I put her on block. If he chooses size, then he turn to an op. The trap said he jumping, we making it hot. Moving on, keep on changing the page. Feel like a lion that was left in the cage. Was all alone and it
What up guys? Tada, this is the surprise I was talking about. I never even thought of buying a bike, but here we are and in my dream brand जो मेरे को हमेशा से ओन करना था. This is my first BMW and definitely not the last. Let it be two-wheeler or four-wheeler. So here we have it. This is the BMW G310RR in white. So this bike I bought it in white क्योंकि white में it looks much more better. दो ऑप्शन थे, one was black and this was the another one. वाइट एक्सपेंसिव भी था, 14,000 ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव था ब्लैक वाला. दैट वाज द बेस वेरिएंट एंड इट हैज़ दिस आइकॉनिक रेड एंड ब्लू स्ट्राइप्स जो एम स्पोर्ट्स के रहते हैं. ऑल्सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द प्रोटेक्टिव गियर. मैंने इसके बारे में बात ही नहीं की. So this is my SMK Titan in complete carbon fiber, and it has a complete carbon fiber shell. Great helmet for the budget, the budget being 12,000. I went with a complete carbon fiber because I love carbon fiber and I couldn't actually choose what color to go for, and in future I'll be definitely upgrading the bike. So I didn't want to buy a white, blue, red helmet and then be stuck with it. So इसलिए I got this in complete carbon, and also my gloves. These are Rhinox के Storm Evo 3, and this is complete black with white stitching and has again genuine carbon fiber for the gauntlet part. So these are called gauntlet, full gauntlet gloves. If you are new into bikes मेरी तरह, तो मेरे को भी ये कुछ 10 दिन पहले ही नॉलेज मिला सारा. So this is a complete gauntlet gloves. इसमें नॉक्स के 2 स्लाइडर्स आते हैं फॉर योर थम एंड फॉर योर palm. So basically 2 sliders are for your palm and hard knuckle and carbon fiber for this for your wrist. And basically अभी मैंने 2 ही खरीदे हैं protective gear. I'll be buying the shoes and the jacket and the pants definitely. And also I have bought this hard shell case, hard shell thigh bag to carry my phone and my wallet. So now you must be thinking, why have I bought a bike? And it's not related to the content part. ये मैं content के लिए नहीं है, खाली अपने personal use के लिए लिया. I'll be enjoying it for my own. मैं कोई moto vlogs वगैरह नहीं बना रहा. If you really want, maybe, but I don't plan on making content out of it. ये मैंने खाली अपने, I really wanted to own a bike. I was always passionate about it. कभी chance नहीं मिला सीखने का. Now I finally have the money to get one and learn on it. So here we have a bike. And ये मैंने अपने खाली शौक पूरा करने के लिए, that's it. इससे कोई कंटेंट नहीं आने वाला. I don't even plan on modding it. Maybe in future I will definitely do something with it, but not planning on modding it or make moto vlogs. खाली मेरे अपने लिए. तो मैं दिखती रहेगी वीडियोस के साइड में खड़ी हुई, and I'll be enjoying it. But yeah, there you go. My first ever BMW. Ta-da.